Object-oriented programming, OOP, is a programming paradigm that organizes and structures code based on the concept of objects. It is a popular approach to software development that focuses on modeling real-world entities as objects, which have properties, attributes, and behaviors, methods. OOP provides a way to design and build complex software systems by encapsulating data and functionality within these objects. In object-oriented programming, objects are instances of classes. A class is a blueprint or template that defines the attributes and behaviors that an object can have. Attributes are data variables that store the state or characteristics of an object, while methods are functions or procedures associated with the object that define its actions or behaviors. The key principles of object-oriented programming include encapsulation. Objects encapsulate their data, attributes, and behaviors, methods, together, hiding the internal implementation details from the outside world. Encapsulation promotes code organization, modularity, and information hiding. Inheritance. Inheritance allows classes to inherit the attributes and behaviors of other classes, establishing a hierarchical relationship. It enables code reuse and the creation of specialized classes, subclasses, based on existing ones, superclasses. Polymorphism. Polymorphism enables objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass. It allows methods to be defined in the superclass and overridden in the subclasses, providing different implementations based on the specific context. Abstraction. Abstraction focuses on defining essential features and behaviors of objects while hiding unnecessary details. It allows programmers to create abstract classes and interfaces that provide a general contract for subclasses to follow. Object-oriented programming offers several benefits, including code reusability, modularity, maintainability, and scalability. It provides a structured approach to software development and promotes the creation of more robust and flexible systems. OOP is widely used in various programming languages such as Java, C, Python, and C#.